This voice, we're talking all voices. Do I sound like a man? Yes, you do. Well, grandma, actually. Yeah. Grandma. Pretty sure it's something there. Okay. I don't say either. Engineer's super bored and we have nothing to do today, so we're sitting on my mom's computer and making people listen. Awesome.
But now I like Munchkin. I love Munchkin. Like on the Wizard of Oz, when they're like lollipop kids. What was that song? The Lollipop Kids. The Lollipop Kids. I wonder if it sound like them. Wait, what was that? Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Oh my gosh, it's emo.
Hey baby, how are you doing?
What's going on?
I guess, is that a mirror in your pants? Because I could see me in your pants. Or that? Yeah.
Now we have deep voices.
Luke, your dad was into old music, and I know it.
I know. Is my dad even home?
No. But we gotta work it out. We gotta work it out.
That's the Beatles. Is this that song?
Yeah.
Oh,
We gotta work it out.
we gotta work it out. Oh, Janae's old.
That's not funny. I don't remember. I can't tell. You couldn't tell? I didn't really hear it that much.
So that's female. I didn't really hear this either because we are female. At least it's female. Oh wait, crap, we're into that. Excited. Yes, so excited.
I didn't hear it excited sound like.
I know.
I'm excited because the Warped Tour is in a week. Exactly a week from now.
And we don't even have tickets.
Yeah, but we're still gonna go. Yeah.
It's gonna be so much fun.
I know.
And Dave Marmer's gonna be there.
We love Data, remember?
Biggest fan. Great fan. Should I make a video and put it on there? Just kidding, that's really weird. You're like, what a video? It's too much kid voices. That'd be so funny. I mean, like Fred. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I want to see something.
I took my cabbage speak Spanish.